Welcome back. So I just went to the store and to make a hub sealer for the 2000 Ford F250 and F350 for the 4x4. So I had to go to Home Depot and just buy some black pipe and got it cleaned first. So I got a 1.5 inch flange, so that will work for the axle. Then you want to buy a 2-inch pipe, a black pipe. This is a 12-inch. This is a 2x12-inch black steel pipe. This is all from Home Depot. It's cheaper to buy this. Make your own kit. And if it's right over, I had to clean this pipe first, but oh, cool. Well, if I knew that, I wouldn't open that, but that's all this is gonna do. You're just gonna clean this surface up here, clean all the oil off this first. It's all greasy too. So all we're gonna do is just run this around the belt real quick. Alright, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to hit this side too, probably just a little bit, just enough. So yeah, let's go on like that. Alright guys, we're going to weld this in just a second. The machine turned on. Alright guys, first tack weld. Let me put some gloves on real quick. Then we'll tack weld the bottom base on too. Grab my other glove. Oh. Don't know if you guys can see it, but we're gonna just weld right here. I'm getting there. Let me just tack weld it up first. And that's all we need to do. Alright guys, so I had to get it on flat, even ground. But this is what it came out. I just did some tack welds around the bottom, well the top I should say. And I just kept welding and welding and welding the whole thing. And that's what the top is. Just about, let's see, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 tack welds on the top for it. It doesn't have to go hard, but I just kept welding and welding and welding. Not perfect, but this will work for what I need. And I'm just gonna let this cool down. I got the fan going to blow all the welding smell and everything out, all the fumes. So yeah, we're gonna paint this up, and that's gonna be that. And we'll see. Alright guys, so I finally got the end trimmed down just enough where it's mostly circular, and it's a hair smaller than the size that it needs to be, so it should fit perfectly. I just sprayed some galvanized primer on it, and just letting it dry for now, and then I'm gonna spray it, then we'll be done. Alright guys, so that's all painted, just gotta let it dry now, and that's the only color I had is salmon pink, and that's all I'm gonna use because I'm not using my good paint. It's still Cryon. Coral? Yeah, Cryon. Coral. But, alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.